So hi guys, we today are at Daugavpils station, train station, and today we have a train to go to the beach, and the city is Jūrmala, Latvia. So yeah, we are going there today, and it is the first time we are riding the new train. Yeah, I don't know how long it is on the train tracks, and yeah, today we're riding it, so I will give you a tour of the train, and yeah, right now we are waiting for it.
Не знаю. Без понятия.
Прямой это, да?
Ну, до Риги, да. This.
Nākamā stacija Rīga. Zemais perons. Paldies, ka izvēlies Vivī. Lūdzu, reģistrē biļeti pie reģistratora un pēc pieprasījuma uzrādi to kontrolē kopā ar atlaidi pamatojošiem dokumentiem. Uzmanies atrodoties Sliežu tuvumā un izmantojot dzelzceļa transportu. Vilcienā ievēro drošības un braukšanas noteikumus. Patīkamu braucienu! Vilciens brauc līdz stacijai Sloka. Nākamā pietura Torņa kalns.
So yeah, from here, I'm going to show you this train. Here you can purchase tickets. Here are the doors. Here is toilet. Yeah. And now I'm gonna just walk around. You can just look. I'm just gonna walk around this train.
Здесь сегодня не сделано.
Yeah, and those two more. So I'm just gonna walk back to Cordoves. Just this. Okay, we will now exit this train. Yes. We will now exit this train. So, Jurmala, it's quite nice out here, actually. So, yeah. Bye-bye, train. There's a lot going on in this Pietura station. It isn't a station, it is a small station. A station is a Riga station. And yeah, we are now heading to a park. And yeah, we will enjoy Jurmala. Alright, we are almost in the Dzintaru Mežaparks. And yeah, we are in. Yeah, and it feels good to be in Jurmala. Oh, this is so great. Yeah, there was a lot of people. There was a lot of people who exited the train. Yeah, at the station, how you said. So yeah. By the way, there is my mom. She doesn't want to be on camera. If you want to see, you can see a little bit of clips in shorts that I was in America, but I deleted the video because it wasn't popular and I was mad. And what do you expect? That it isn't popular. And yeah, I edited it wrong. And yeah, we are right now there. Yeah, we are planning to go to beach. Yeah, a little bit later. But now we are in Mežaparks. No, Mežaparks Jurmala, Dzintaru. Yeah, you can see me jumping. And my mom said this is my tilts that I like. Yeah, I don't know English this time. For a little bit. Yeah, and there's a kid. I'm gonna go there too. Yeah. And the show there I'm gonna go too. Just a little kid every day. Yeah. So yeah. What's up? Right, this is kids workout, yeah. Latvians, Jurmalieki. Yes. This is driving, not a workout. With a Latvian accent, yeah. Some supercars there. They can drive 1 million cars. Not like us, adults. and our parents who cannot afford these because Latvians are poor, not like Americans and Mexicans. Who, yeah. But if you want to go to Latvia's centers, Riga, yeah, tad you can see some supercars, but it is rare. Yeah. So, karoči, šis ir meža parks, yeah. Latvians who know is meža parks, please write in the comments. My English today is not good. Okay, alright, let's go. Wir ar tauriņu māja. Everywhere ir tauriņi. Yeah, I'm gonna photo every one I can find. Look, this is beautiful. Mama atnāc paskaties. Look, that is so beautiful. Oh. Oh God. There's so many. Look. There's more. There's everyone.
Bet šitie ir gaļādāji, viņi var iekost.
O, mamma, re, kur vēl viens.
O, cik smuks.
This is... O, man, vēl viens. Everywhere there are. You can see why there are two curtains. This is like a quest to find tauriņi, butterflies. Closer. Oh, this feels so good, Mom. We are just photoing. I already. Oh, Mom, rekur, tur smuks ir. Rekur. There are too much magnets. Yeah. Oh God, here is so hot. And these tickets for us too cost 8 euros. Oh Dios! Those who don't know, this is our pet. I didn't put it on my YouTube channel because then after he died, I did have it. Kā viņš sauc? Gacho. Gacho. This is our pet Gacho. Pilns vienkārši. Es gribu uziet augšā. And just take a photo of it, Mom.
Tur vēl viens.
Es svīstu, Mom. Here is so hot actually. Yeah, we're going to take these stairs. At least there isn't no beaters.
Jā, tas ir tās pusīs. Un to, jā.
Ew.
Tas ir rotaļāja. Paga.
Ak, Dievs. Man, on my phone there is. These two were on my phone. Yeah, these two. Dievs, te ir tik karsti.
Kāpēc, ka tauriņiem vajag silti? Tagad tas var nobūt.
Oh, mom, next is.
Gačiņš.
Nu, nekusties, tavs taurinis ir somas.
Man?
Jā. Mama, ir. Šitais.
Man bija vēl viens somas.
Jā.
You guys can come back later. Lady said you guys can come later if you want.
Izem ārā, Ivils, vai gaisa nākam atpakaļ.
They're having a little bit
I will go out. And yeah, that's it. I will only take photos then and enjoy. Oh, this is so beautiful. It is so hot in there. But for €8, 5 stars, 5 stars. Guys, that is our first place that I am waiting right now. Yeah, 5 stars, they are everywhere. Tauriņi, butterflies are everywhere. And oh, you can hear the sound. It's like jungles, yeah. They're so hot. If you are in 5 minutes, you go out and yes. And they do this with our hands so that we can come back later, like go to the beach and take a breath. And then get in and sweat again. Yeah. 5 stars. If there was, I would give 6 stars. Yeah, 6. Guys, this is great. Vila. Visur viņi ir vienkārši visur.
Tiešām ir apkārt. Un tad tiem lielākiem tie lielākie tauri, viņi piedzīvoši, tad tiem mazajiem jau vispār.
Super.
Un tā viņi
Yeah, we did buy a magnet. Yeah, there is 30 degrees Celsius and 100 Fahrenheit in there. Yeah. And we are just right now heading to the beach. And to get some little bit of rest and to wipe off the hotness of us from the butterflies home. Yeah. And here ice cream is cheap. It's $2.50, but there was €3. Yeah. So, and I think if we would got into the home of butterflies, we would with the ice cream, the ice cream would get full of butterflies. Like every butterfly, the 200 butterflies would get to us. And yeah, there is, I don't know how that's in English, but Latvians what are watching strūklaka there is, and yeah, right there. And we're just heading to the beach, yeah. Tā nu mums ir nomainījies perons. Brauc uz mājām iepriekš nebija. Tagad es ceru, ka mans cilvēks zina, kur iet. Ja mēs tagad ar visu publiku skrienam. Ir pareizs. Tad ir tomēr pareizs. Laikam. Vai arī nav, es nezinu. Tad ir pareizs vai nav? Tad ir pareizs, jā. Ātri. So we are racing or what? No, he will go first. You can see that. This to an end and we are not in the end. So yeah. We are letting him.
Paldies, ka izvēlies Vivi. Lūdzu, reģistrē biļeti pie reģistratora un pēc pieprasījuma uzrādes.
I think those are emergency brakes.
Pamatojošiem dokumentiem. Uzmanies atrodoties sliežu tuvumā un izmantojot dzelzceļa transportu. Vilcienā ievērot drošības un braukšanas noteikumus. Patīkamu braucienu! Vilciens brauc līdz stacijai Aizkraukle. Nākamā pietura Vagonu parks.
We are again racing. So who's driving there? Tur ir spopuls. Nu, laikam it kā. Sīva cīņa notiek starp 6, 2, 5, 4 un 6, 1, 5, 6. Tas iespieda grāza grīdā. Ko tu aizlido? Viņš aizbrauc pavisam citur, nekā mums jābrauc. Jū, viņš aizbrauc. Un tur ir Matīs iela. Jā. It kā. Man liekas. Varbūt. We exited this train. Yeah, this train over there. I'm gonna run to the front so you can see that how it's going off. So yeah, it's going off. Say bye-bye. And yeah, that was our journey to Jūrmala. This is a huge day for us that we visited this city, and it was 10 out of 10. Yeah. This day was 10 out of 10, and thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the follow button, and if you like the video, then like it, so I know. Goodbye, guys.